Please, please, please let this be worth my time. Let's see what Influenster and Revlon's talking about in this box. Hopefully it's worth it. Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and you know what? Let's just go ahead and get right into it.
Okay, so first off, I have to say thank you to Influenster and Revlon for including me in their latest campaign to test out some of Revlon's products for complimentary testing. So shout out to them. So let me go ahead and get this box open and see what we have here. Okay. Revlon, live boldly. And indeed, the packaging is indeed bold. So, what do we have here? Okay, so this is part of Revlon's Comfort and Control Tools collection. Ooh, I can already see some items that I want and need. Okay. So, first thing we have here is a pair of tweezers. It's the Revlon Comfort and Control Slant Tweezer. It features a non-slip silicone, I guess, grip. Ooh. Now I have tweezers, but none of my tweezers look like this. It says it's curved for comfort and it has an easy wide grip. I like that grip. I actually struggle with cramping of my hands and fingers, so the fact that this is made like this with the silicone grip, that's highly helpful. And the fact that the handle of this is curved, because it has an ergonomic curve to it, and that is wider than most tweezers you have, is going to be very helpful. I can see that already. Let me move this out the way. Open. Now, before we even get to that, let's see all we have. So we have this. Let's see what's in there. I'm a little sad because I was hoping I would get all three items here. They also have cuticle nippers and also an eyelash curler. I would have been interested in trying these cuticle nippers since I need to do my toes and my fingernails, and the eyelash curler. But you know what? I'm thankful for what I got. So, okay, so let's go ahead and get this out. Let's see, tweeze. It gives you all the instructions, of course. Tells you exactly where to hold it. And I use tweezers all the time. Matter of fact, I need to tweeze some eyebrow hairs or some hairs that are unruly. I use it to tweeze out gray hairs out of my eyebrows. Yes, let's keep it real. And I use it to tweeze out some hairs in wigs. Oh, I like this already. This is really comfortable because you can hold it right here and then squeeze. So you have that grip here, and then you get a good grip on it actually. And this fits really nice in the palm of my hand. Look at that. Okay. Nice slanted grip. You see how I'm holding this? From every angle you can see I have it gripped pretty good. It's very, very comfortable. The most comfortable tweezers I have actually, just because of this wide handle here, and the grip is so helpful because sometimes we'll go in and tweeze and our hands are wet either with product or water, and to know that this is here, it makes it so much easier to grip. This is really comfortable, y'all. Wow. Okay. Wow. I'm definitely going to be using this. I have a few more of the products from the Comfort and Control line that I'm actually interested in, so I'm glad I could start off with this. Okay, let's put this to the test. So I got plenty of hairs out of place in these brows. Let's see how good it is at pulling it. Y'all see that? This is really, really comfortable, seriously. Just the shape of it. The shape of it makes it really easy to grip. And I'm not just saying that, y'all. Let's see, I noticed another one. There go another one. These are not cutting me or pinching my hair horribly wrong because it's slanted. Oh, I'm getting lots of hairs. Y'all see? Okay. Something else. And it's pulling the hair completely out. It's not chopping the hair in half. Whoa, I had more hairs than I thought. Okay, so clearly this works. Okay, so y'all get the point. This right here, this right here definitely works. Okay, so if you haven't heard at all about INFLUENSTER, INFLUENSTER is a totally free, almost like a influencer community, but basically you're able to fill out questions about all your likes, wants, things you've tried, things you even haven't even tried but are interested in. And what they'll do is they will every so often send you a questionnaire just to see if you may qualify for trying something new with whatever companies they partner with. And everything you try is free to use, complimentary for a review. And so there's that, and there's some cashback type things which I'm not really a fan of, but when I'm getting stuff like this, and I've been signed up with INFLUENSTER for, oh my gosh, maybe 6 years, and I just recently started participating in the different campaigns. I took a rest for a while, but now I'm back. So this right here, I have lots of tweezers, but nothing at all made like this. You know how tweezers come. They come with a straight handle. It is not ergonomically correct like this is. It's not slipping. This is nice and safe. And imagine someone tweezing close to your eyes. You want them to have a good grip on whatever they're using next to your eye, right? Well, this right here, this will give that grip. So shout out to them for coming up with something like this. I like it. I really, really do.